Welcome to our YouTube channel Agri Adda Success Point. Today I am discuss about JRF Horticulture question paper 2016. So let's start. First question: which fruit crop is associated with the emblems of the United Nations? Right answer is olive. Olive is a symbol of USA, means United Nations. Next question: a short duration crop in between two main season crops in term as. Right answer is a catch crop. And cash crop means which crops are sold in from fields and gain money hand to hand. And in case of intercrop, the growing of two crops within defined rows is the within defined rows are grow in two crops is known as intercrop. Next question: which is the finest mandarin in the world? First is right answer is Ponkan. Ponkan also known as Nagpur mandarin and Nagpur Santra. Ponkan also known as Nagpur Santra. Next question, don't confuse. Name the intensive types of vegetable gardening. Intensive gardening, right answer is market gardening. And in case of extensive, when right answer is truck gardening, intensive farm. And in case of processing garden and seed garden, both are based on contact farming. Next question: flavor of citrus fruit is due to presence of chemical compound. Right answer is hesperidin flavor. And citral is found in lemon, and this found in grapefruit, and valencin is found in sweet orange. So remember these things. Next question: name the non-parasitic disorder due to calcium deficiency in tomato. Very common question. Right answer is blossom in rot. Next question: which of the following is a monoembryonic? Right answer is pomelo. Pomelo is a monoembryonic, and also citron and Tahiti lime. Only 3 species are monoembryonic. Next question: brown anther types male sterility is observed in which vegetable crops? Right answer is carrot. Next question: the process of producing several identical copies of a gene sequence is known as. Right answer is gene cloning. Next: which crop is highly tolerant to soil acidity? Right answer is potato is highly tolerant to soil acidity, means grow below the 6. Next question: which compound impart color and flavor to chili? Right option is capsaicin. And is lycopene found in tomato, and solanine found in potato, and oleoresin found in chili. So remember these points also. Next question: apical meristem culture is used to produce plant free from viruses. Right answer is A. Next question: television, radio, fair and exhibition are the media of. Right answer is mass communication. means presence of many peoples are aware and individuals. Next question. The process of synthesis of mRNA from DNA template is known as, right answer is transcription, and mRNA found in protein, convert in protein, is known as translation. So remember this. And next question. Name the chemical which is used to preserve colored juice. Right answer is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. These are the class second types preservative, and sugar is a class first types preservative. Also spices and salt also class first preservatives. Next question. What is the threshold level of ethylene in fruit and vegetables? Right answer is C, 0.1%. Next question. Most efficient species of earthworm for vermicomposting in tropical region is, right answer is first Eisenia foetida. Next question. Anther color is usually used for the production of, right answer is haploid plants, means N. Next question. The color of tag used for breeder seed, very common question. Right answer is golden brown. And foundation seed found white tag foundation seed, and blue in certified. Remember these points also. Next question. Name the term associated with collection of fallen nuts of cashew nut. Right answer is gleaning. Next question. Which micronutrient is mostly deficient in Indian soil? Right answer is zinc is a micronutrient, and in case of micronutrient deficient, nitrogen is deficient. Next question. Which of the following is used for controlling soil-borne pathogen in organic agriculture? Right answer is C, Trichoderma viridi. This is the fungus. Next question. The relative percentage of sand silt and clay is given soil sample is known as, right option is soil texture. And in case of the arrangement of sand, silt and clay is known as soil structure. Remember this also. Which of the following is also considered as segmental polyploidy? Right answer is A, potato, and these are the potato are tetraploid, 48 chromosome number, basic chromosome number 12. Next question. Which pomegranate variety has revolutionized its production in our country? Right answer is C, Ganesh. Next question. Name the fruit crop suitable for high soil pH. Right answer is D, Amla, Milka officinalis. Next question. Where is a Central Coffee Research Institute located? Right answer is Chikmagaluru, Karnataka, and Puttur is a research center of cashew nut, and Illur situated at Andhra Pradesh. These are the nursery of oil palm and Palmyra palm. Next question. Which crop is a good source of L-dopa dopamine to cure Parkinson disease in humans? Right answer is B, broad bean. Next question. Where does pear primarily bear its fruits? Right answer is D, spur. Spur means condensed growth of fruit is known as spurs. Apple, pear, peach, apple, pear, and apricot, almonds found mostly temperate fruits are found spurs and bears on the spurs. Next question. Which of the following has excellent autumn color foliage? Right answer is C. Next question. Which of the following fruit crop is cauliflowerous? Right is a D. Jackfruit and also cocoa and carambola. Next question. Name the most suitable clonal rootstock for replant situation in apple. Right option is A. Martin 973. Next. In which crop gynoecious sex is commercially exploited for hybrid seed production? Right is a B. Gynoecious. Next, name the onion variety which is pickling types and suitable for export. Right answer is a D. Agrifound rose. Name the enzyme that causes browning in apple. Right answer is a C. Polyphenol oxidase, and in case of pear browning is due to polygalactonase. Next, which of botanical variety of lettuce has excellent shipping and handling abilities? Right answer is a B. Crisp and head types. Next, which variety banana is used for making baby food? Right answer is A. Conan. Next question. Which of the following has non-endospermic seeds? Right answer is B. D. Bear. Next question. Which method can be employed to maintain self-incubability in breed line? Right answer is A. Bud pollination. Next question. Which fatty acid is present in walnut? Right option is B. Omega 3. And walnut is a rich source of fight. Next question. Which of the following does not belong to genus Jasminum? Right answer is B. Night Jasminum. Name the fruit crop which is suitable for multi-storage cropping. Right answer is Falsa. Next question. Which fruit crop is known as queen of nut? Right answer is B. Pecan nut. And king of nut is called walnut. Next, which types of sex form is present in onion? Right answer is A. Potendry. In this case, male parts are mature earlier than female parts, and in case of protogyny, female part mature earlier than male parts, and in case of cleistogamy, the flower are never open before pollination, and in case of cosmogamy, the flower are open after pollination. Next question. Scooping is an important operation in raising seed crop in which of the following vegetable crops? Right answer is D. Cauliflower. Scooping is mainly done in Darjeeling Hills, which is Paschim Bengal, West Bengal. Next question. Which of the following has large size, white and fragrant flower? Right answer is B. Next question. Core intact is one of the seed production method used in which of the following crops? Right option is B. Cabbage. Next question. Edible part of asparagus. Right answer is B. Tender shoot. It is also known as spear. Next question. T-bar system of training is followed in which fruit crops? Right answer is C. Kiwi fruit. Next. Richest source of vitamin C. Right answer is Barbara cherry. Very common question. Next question. In which of the following plants cellulose content is maximum? Right answer is A. Cotton. Next question. Pineapple is a, right answer is a C. Came plant. Came plant are those plants which are having water stress conditions. Grow where are water stress. Next question. Which is not grown during summer season? Right answer is a D. Pansy. Next. Yellow pigment in papaya is xanthin, mostly carica xanthin. Next question. Hormone used for drought resistant. These are also known as stress hormone. Right option is a D. ABA. Next question. In which pink color, in onion, pink color is due to? Right answer is A. Anthocyanin, and in case of yellow color, due to quercetin. Next. Which of the following species of rose is not commonly used as rootstock? Right answer is D. Chinensis are not commonly used, and in North India mostly used odorata, North Indian condition. Next. Important insect vector of plant viruses. Right answer is B. Aphid. And next question, and today ka last question. Rose belong to family. Right answer is Rosaceae. This paper PDFs are available in description link, and join our WhatsApp group and get this paper PDF. Thanks for watching.